based on my experience, what is the one super tip pro? Actually, can I just make that two? One is being yourself. I say that all the time. The second and most important thing is even the training ground that these girls get is so important because they have experts in every field from all over the country who come forward and train them. So make sure you make the most of the training you get here as far as the Femina Miss India pageant is concerned. And make sure you have your magic on up to the last moment. Everyone is watching you all the time. Every woman who comes to represent India internationally has already achieved so much. They're so well groomed. They're everyone between doctors and lawyers, and sometimes when I hear the achievements that these girls have and the educational backgrounds that these girls have, I'm just like so taken aback because I almost feel that I've done so little compared to all of them. So it's great. I feel that the time is right, and after winning so many international pageants, I think that at a very large level, even the future generations and the girls who apply now are extremely encouraged. I see their idols in all the women who brought back an international crown, and they learn so much from them as well. I think it is so important to have beauty with a purpose. And for those girls who are sitting at home right now saying, oh, we don't have the idea or the knowledge of how to take beauty with a purpose forward, I promise you, when you have a cause that you want to work towards, when you want to be a part of a revolution, when you want to be a part of a change, you don't need an army of people. You need that one voice. You need that one person, and that person could be you. I promise you, do good work and great people will follow and you will see amazing results. So don't think too much about it. Just understand what you want to lend your voice towards. That's all you need. If I had to take part, I'd be super excited, which would make me much younger now, that's a great start. But more importantly, I think it's very important to have a voice. I have a voice towards many things that I disagree with and I want to take forward. For sure, I would have, spoken about that. Talk about the things that you really actually believe in. Secondly, when it's ramp walk, work on that ramp walk. Make sure you do it right. And thirdly, speaking of a talent, my talent is talking a lot. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. I would have probably done that.